Listen, I told you that applying one eye can be a little difficult, but that's why I always keep a couple of these on deck. What's up, guys? It's your girl Dee Nasty, and apart from being a comedian and a host, you already know that I'm the eyeliner connoisseur, the cat eye master, una matatana en esto. So today I'm gonna be doing a little tutorial for the new Reina Rebelde Rebel Eye Definer Liquid, and it's in the color Chiflada. This specific color is in an emerald green, and if you don't know what a chiflada is, it's somebody who's a little crazy, a little bratty, tu sabes, una frequita, who don't take no shit, but still keeps it cute, okay? This is actually gonna be the first time that I use a color eyeliner, which I'm actually super excited for. I try to stay with the staple black. Wait, do I got a little eyeliner right here? Oh. And I try to keep it with the black staple just because it's something like, as a Latina, I think like we all grew up looking at our grandmothers, our mothers, our sisters, our aunts doing their makeup. And in my family, the cat eye is a must. This is the first time that I'm using a much more firm tip. Pause. For those who don't know how to apply it, like I know that eyeliner can be a little bit difficult. I know que esto no es fácil, esto es una vaina muy difícil, okay? But because of the new tip that the Reina Rebelde eyeliner has, it just makes it so much more easy to apply. Like, look at that. Can you see that? Should I focus that in? It's super like, it's not that malleable. So you get like a good grip on it. Generally, when I'm applying eyeliner, I like to start in the middle of my eye and then drag it out. I feel like when you're doing, I see like little orbs and shit. I thought I saw like a little orb, bro. Ay, hay un espíritu aquí, espérate. I swear to God, bro. Ay, Jehová, Jesús Santísimo, protégeme. I thought I saw something. Why I gotta get so Spanish in a makeup tutorial? This is because I'm using a Latina-owned business makeup brand or makeup product. Even though shouts to them, you know, you gotta support your peoples, right? This American owned, so you know whoever making it getting paid, right? Okay. Nah, but for real, let me start the actual tutorial. All right. So I think today what we're gonna do, instead of keeping it cute and keeping it thin, I'm gonna make it a little bit more dramatica. I'm gonna keep it real chiflada, right? Keep it on brand. I feel like if you're gonna go play with colors, especially with a color as bright as green, the color of money, the color of growth and harmony, something we all need right about now, we should keep it dramatic and make it, you know, pop. We want people to look at us, right? So let's get it started. I'm nervous, oh my God. Okay. You know what? Déjame ponerme un pincho. Un pinche, tú sabes, así el pelito no se me ensucia. I do a lot of different Spanish accents. I don't think it's appropriation, but you let me know. I don't know. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But that was a Boricua accent right there. So we're gonna start right here. And what I'm doing is I'm keeping it real thin. I'm only using the very, very tip of, I guess this is a sponge. I don't know what it is. I don't know, but we're just using the very, very, very tip, the most pointiest part, and I'm lightly dragging it. It's not like a different feathered eyeliner where you have to like really get in there and like lay it flat and drag it out. I'm just using the tip. This is doing most of the work for you. It's super firm. I got this right now, okay? We steady right now. This is rock hard. Okay, that's looking real cute. You know, a lot of people, if you are a beginner, some people tend to go like this and drag the eye out. When you're dragging the line out, also just try to make the end of the wing a lot more narrow. Think of it as a stiletto. You know, we love Amy Winehouse, but we're not going for that look right now. I've used Reina Rebelde products before, and what I really like about them is how waterproof they are. I don't know if that's something that they even advertise, but I feel like you could cry, you could sweat, you could jump up and down, and it don't go nowhere. I'm like a serial killer with my eyeliner. I don't do the whole like open mouth thing. Look at that. Look at that. I got so high when I got new eyeliner on. I feel like a different person when I have eyeliner on. Like, look at, like I'm cute right here, right? I'm a little baby. But over here, bitch. Damn. What? What did you, what? Who? Who you talking to me? No, yo no te conozco a ti. Yo no te conozco a ti. ¿Tú quieres hablar conmigo? No. Te voy a tener que quitar dinero, ¿ok? Compra un trago y dame dinero. Oh, oh. When I do my eyeliner, I have small eyes, I think. So I like to make my eyes look bigger. So when I do the eyeliner, I like to actually drag it down as well. And it just gives you much more of a cat-like appearance. It just elongates your eyes, something that I think is super sexy, super seductive and shit like that. So yeah, that's just like my little trick. Not everyone has to do that, but that's just what I do. And you know, I'm always right. All right, I'm loving it. You guys, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. And this is perfect for summer because you know, it be hot. These New York summers, it's humid. I don't want a lot of makeup on. I don't want no eyeshadow. I don't want no blush. So this is just giving you like that extra pop. And again, remember, it's waterproof, baby. So you already know it's gonna stay on. I'm really excited to be a part of this collab as well, just because I feel like I never knew the word chiflada. I just learned it recently. But like in Dominican, a chiflada would be like una loquita, una fraca vieja, tú sabes, you know? And it's just like, I think we need a voice like that. Because I know I'm cute, you know what I mean? I know that I'm cute, but I am very outspoken and I am a funny chick and I also speak up for what's right? Like, yo nunca me hago la chiva loca. So that's just who I am. I'm the one who always is like sticking up for my cousins and my primas and my sisters. Like, that's who I am. And just like the fact that we have a name, like somebody's out there like, es una chiflada. Like, I like that. Like, I could get down with it. That's cute. Now let's go to the second eye. Now, let me tell you something. As much of a connoisseur as you may think I am with eyeliner, eyeliner is a bitch. No two eyes are the same. They never come out the same. I don't know why it's so difficult, but bear with me now. Listen, I told you that applying one eye can be a little difficult, but that's why I always keep a couple of these on deck. It's still wet, so it's easy to remove. I kind of wish I had like green eye mascara for this to keep it green, right? That'd be kind of cool. Right now, y'all hear him? With the mascara to match the eyeliner. Something that I like to do when I'm applying makeup or eyeliner specifically, like I like to smile. Because I want, when I take pictures, that my eyeliner still looks popping when I smile. So I don't want it to get all crinkly there in those crow's feet. You know, I'm on the wrong side of my 20s. You know, little wrinkles are coming out and stuff. So, you know, I think ahead. I think ahead. There we go, mommy. So, again, no two eyes are the same. I think you noticed that I kind of cheated. And instead of starting from the middle of the eye, I kind of gave it a little, like, from the outward eye into the in. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it looks pretty even to me. And if it's not, I still bag dudes, you feel me? Let me do a couple little like finishing touches and stuff. Damn, who that? Pero y ella, señores, ¿quién lo patrocina? Woo! So remember, guys, I am not a makeup artiste. I am a comedian, okay? But I do hope that you learned some tricks from this video. And if not, then I don't know what to tell you, bro. You ain't got no sense of humor and you ain't got no taste. But seriously, I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you love the product as much as I do, okay? Y no te olvides, always stay true to your chiflada self. And if you're not one, join the crew, baby. Join the winning team, baby. Okay? See you next time.